Hello beautiful people, hope you and your families are all safe and well considering the current situation. It has been a while, but I'm back with another of those phones that promise to be very good value for very little price. Now this is the ELEPHONE E10. Apparently it's got absolutely every single feature that nowadays is required onto a mobile phone and a modern mobile phone for that matter. And it costs £130 in the UK. I will put all the links and everything, of course, in the description. There will be some limitation here and there, and I'm curious to discover what those limitations will be. So let's try to find out together. So the front of the phone already showing you some of the characteristics, and if you got already so far on the review, I assume you're already researching on this phone. So I'm not going to bother in telling you all of the features and characteristics. We can potentially find them online. A few more are over there. Lovely. Let's have a look actually what else is inside the box first. So already this has a few more. Okay, SIM removal tool. Okay, so there is also a cover for the glass. It's always good to have it there. A few information and a little gel cover for the phone itself, always handy to have. Of course, a cable, and that is a Type-C, and a charger, European style, not a problem anyway. One, I got plenty of chargers around, and two, is possible to get easily an adapter. The output is 5 volt, 2 milliampere hours. Let's get this out of the way, let's get to the phone and let's get everything ready and going. The array of the camera, of course, is at the back. Don't know how much you can see. Let me see if I can adjust a bit the light. So array of the cameras is over there. I went for the black version of it. So this is the SIM card tray, and I really like the design of it because you can have dual SIM card and an SD card, well, a micro SD card, all in one easy slot, nice and comfortable. So I've already added my fingerprint, and the fingerprint reader is over there. I don't know if you can see it, is slightly recessed, which I really like. So the power button is recessed when the volume rocker sticks out a tiny bit. And as you can see, it is very responsive and it is very precise. Also, ergonomically, the phone is very good. I mean, the screen, as you can see, is 6.5 inches, but the phone itself fits very, very well in someone's hands. My hands are, you know, medium to large, but in fairness, it does fit in incredibly well. Software-wise, the phone seems to be very responsive. There is no bloatware on it. I've installed a couple of programs like 3D Mark, Asphalt 8, CPU-Z, Darkeners, Rises, so things to test it, and we'll go through it in a second. The phone itself, I noticed it's got also an FM radio, so you will probably need the headphones connected to use it as an aerial, but then it can also play music through FM, which is very nice. It has the NFC communication system that we will try, and it's got a logo over there. Processor wise, I think it's a Helio P22, if I remember correctly, which is not the fastest possible processor, but it should work absolutely fine for something like this. And actually, on that point, let's run some benchmark. There we go, guys. So these are the results. As I said, they are not impressive, but the phone is working absolutely fine for everything that we needed to be used for. Let's test also the cameras. So let's go first on to the selfie one. And here I am. What we'll do, we'll take a quick picture. My God, I'm scaring myself right now. We'll take a quick picture and I'll put it online later. And also let's check the other camera. So let's turn this around. There we go. We'll go through. So let me put this one on focus. I'll do a quick video as well. So this is also the quality of the microphone through the phone. So we have the cameras. The next thing that I want to check is also the NFC capability. NFC is going to be useful also if you want to put your debit or credit card on it, or for example, some people might be able to use the bus pass through this system. In my case, well, don't ask, but my washing machine is using a NFC system. I never actually tested it before because my phone doesn't have NFC, but give me a second and we'll check it out. Okay, made a noise, so I do assume something is happening, or anyway the phone has found the machine. There we go. I have no idea how to use it. Okay, next, this is the quality of the screen and the speaker. So as you can hear, the speaker is pretty decent. It gets quite loud, potentially slightly tinny when it's at the top volume and the bass is not very strong, but it sounds okay. It doesn't sound bad at all. And so guys, if you made it this far, please remember, a like and subscribe will be amazing and will really help me. With regards to the phone, it is £130, and for the price, it is great. Couple of things that I would like a bit different, maybe the processor could be a bit stronger, but as you saw, everything works flawlessly, the software is very good and very well prepared to deal with that processor, so there is no issue at all. Even on playing very demanding games, it works fine. It's brilliant in multitasking, it's got plenty of space and plenty of capability of expanding it even further. Dual SIM card, fingerprint reader, I absolutely adore it in the position and it is, and as you saw, it's very fast and responsive. Cameras are good, not amazing, but for this price, cannot complain at all, and you probably saw the videos. Screen could be a tad brighter, but even on sunny days, it seems to be working well. I like the honesty of putting just one speaker instead of putting a fake speaker somewhere else and then doesn't work. And the speaker works alright, it is loud, potentially not the most balanced with regards to the sound, but I cannot complain about it. And definitely overall the phone, well, personally I think is a bargain. Looks great, works fine, the battery is very good. All the performances are actually very, very decent, and definitely for the price, well, I feel that they are quite stunning. So yeah, and oh, the NFC capability, something that even my Pocophone doesn't have, so really like it. And I really love the situation where we now have brands like this that are able to produce very capable phone for very little money. So guys, finally, I hope you and your family stay safe through the pandemic. We are all keeping the finger crossed, and soon, hopefully, we will get out of it. To all the brothers and sisters in America, please do remember, this is not taking away your freedom. This is just protecting you and the people around you. So please, let's all start following scientists and doctors a bit more and what they are saying instead of following, well, sorry, but creating reality television personalities. That come out with stupid ideas.
And then I said, supposing you brought the light inside the body, which you can do either through the skin or in some other way. What? Right, and then I see the disinfectant where it knocks it out in a minute, 1 minute. And is there a way we can do something like that by injection inside or...
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So, guys, stay safe, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.